Okay, so we last left off entering in 3 payments, which all 3 of them received discounts for. So now that we've computed all of that, let's see what happened next. What do we have here?
Albert submits an order for the Great Restaurant.
Okay, he just submits an order for the Great Restaurant. Let's take a look. And when is it subject to be delivered?
July 1st.
July 1st. All right. So what do we do with this?
Subsidiary ledger on the commissions worksheet.
Perfect. So commissions, right? We need to make sure that Great Restaurant gets what they ordered. Okay, so we have, this is, what was the amount for? Actually, I don't remember put that in there. What was the amount for?
56403.
56403. 56403. Okay. That's it here. No transaction has been made because we haven't delivered yet. Okay. So then what has happened next?
Sales.
We have our sales. So once again, here we are. We definitely do not have enough space here. Let me see. Checking sales tax. Hold on. Checking sales. No, we don't have enough. Okay, so I'm going to draw a line here because that is definitely a good spot to put a transaction without, you could do it very seamlessly here. So here, I'm going to draw a line once again, and we're going to be moving on to the next page. Okay. Okay. Now, if you think, oh, why is it that we can't just insert a bunch of extra cells and stuff? Well, one thing you have to know is that we do print these out in case you do need to print them out for any reason. And if you print them out and you have extra cells in one page, you can expect that obviously that's also room for fraud too, is that you didn't leave the standard pages alone. You added more extra lines in attempt to squeeze in a transaction, which that right there is, attempt of fraud. Okay, so yes, this is a waste of paper and a waste of space, but we have to follow the rules. So the rule says that if there's not enough space, you cross it out and don't let any transaction go through. So lock the page, and then just move on to the next page. So we are now on page General Journal number 21. Once again, I'm going to go ahead and scroll up to see a transaction that we have completed beforehand. So here we are. Okay, let me do that again. So checking all the way down to here. So starting on the brand new page 21. Okay. So first off, what was my sales for my medium regular coffee?
49750.
My sales for large regular coffee?
67275.
My sales for the medium supreme coffee?
62001.
Okay, and then the large Supreme coffee.
807.
The coffee mugs.
55.
55.9.
Okay, and then lastly,
90.
sales tax.
Sales tax to 1853.
So once again, I'm going to equal sum this.
21853.
Did I match my number? So 2867.41.
Yes.
Perfect. So there we are here. So what is next?
Major.
Yes. So I'm going to go to checking first. So 629 in store sales. Let's see if I have one on here. In store sales. Right? General Journal 21 now. How much cash did we actually receive? 286741.
6141.
Okay. So therefore, what should be my balance?
$11,187.69.
Perfect. Okay. Now we're going to go to sales. So let's start one at a time. So sales for my medium regular coffee. How many cups did I sell?
250.
250 cups. General Journal 21 for the grand total amount of the 497.50. Good. So what's my account balance here?
477401.
Perfect. All right. Next is my large regular coffee. How many cups did I sell?
225.
225 cups. General Journal 21. Right, for 67275. 67275. So what is my new ending balance here? Did I hit
593550.
good? What about my sales? How many cups did I sell for my medium supreme coffee?
249.
249 cups. All right, General Journal 21 for 620.01.
Yes.
So what is my ending balance?
60.58.17.
Perfect. Right. And then how many of my large supreme coffee cups did I sell?
230.
230 cups. General Journal 21. And this was for the 802.70. So therefore, what is my grand total here?
6,900.
Perfect. And then last, or I guess second to last, how many ceramic coffee mugs did I sell? Oh no. Okay, I thought I froze. Ceramic coffee mugs. I sold 8 mugs. So 629. I sold 8. Journal 21 for the total of 55.92.
92.
So what is my ending balance here?
1639.40.
Perfect. Last but not least, we got sales tax payable. So liabilities, sales tax payable. Oops, I scrolled down too far. There you go. Sales tax payable. We got for 629. We have here General Journal 21 for a total of 218.53. So what is my total balance here?
1855 baht.
Good. All right. Government, we're going to write a big fat check to the government soon. All right. All right. So now that we completed all of our stuff, what's next?
Cost of goods sold.
We need to compute the cost of goods sold. So let's see how many pounds I used for this store. I got 40.75 and 41.25. So, inventory worksheet. Okay. So again, regular coffee. We used 40.75. How much is that going to cost? It's going to cost me $1.66. Right, it increased. So what is my total amount of my cost of goods sold? Okay. So now it's 76777. Okay. So 1077, or sorry, 6777. So let's go up to our inventory. So how many pounds should we have left?
137.50.
137.50. And what's my total cost here? Yes. So therefore, my new cost per item should be 16629. So right here, not much of a difference. Okay. So now I'm going to go to my Supreme Coffee. How many pounds did I sell?
41.25.
So here, 629, we sold 41 and a quarter. All right, so let's go check out our batches. Yes, so we definitely have enough from our 91.25. So we have to for $1.89. So what is going to be my total of cost of goods sold here?
77.96.
77.96. Good. So let's go ahead and update this real quick. So if I have 98.25 and I subtract 41.25, how much should I have left?
57.
57 even. All right, with a grand total, including the new batch here, I should have 34648 in my inventory. All right, so let's go ahead and plug our numbers into plug these numbers into our journal. So we got 77.96 for Supreme and 6777 for our regular. So here we are, plugging our numbers in. We got 6777, and we got, what was it, 7796?
Mm-hmm.
Yep, 7796. Perfect. 7796. Okay, once again, in-store sales or in-store use. So now we have to go to our ledger to update our account balances. So once again, cost of goods sold, regular coffee, $6.29. We used 40 and 75 pounds. For 6777. So our account balance here is going to be
1199.85.
perfect. Then for our Supreme coffee, once again, $6.29. We used 41.25 pounds. General Journal number 21. So this was for 77.96. So what is my ending balance here?
1275.77.
12.75.77. Good, excellent. Now we got to actually update our inventory. So let's go to our assets. Here we are. This is checking. Oh, no, wait. I'm not. Yes, this is checking. So scroll down till we reach our regular coffee. Okay, I must have scrolled down too far. Here we are. Regular coffee. $6.29. We used 40.75 pounds. 21. We used 67 and 70 cents worth of regular coffee. So how much do we have left?
285.
Yes, 22865. Is that what we calculated in our inventory worksheet? It should be.
Yep.
Okay. And then last but not least, let's update the Supreme coffee here. So 629. We're gonna have, we used
41.25.
41.25 pounds, LBS, General Journal number 21, for the total of 7796. So what is my ending balance?
346.48.
Which is exactly what we solved for in our inventory worksheet. Okay. Then what's next?
Deposit the check.
Okay, so we earned 2,876.41. Let's go ahead and deposit all of it because we reached the end of the day. So it is now June 29. So what we're going to do is I'm going to equal sum all of this. All right. I'm going to equal sum my 3 checks, including my cash sales of the day. And I should have deposited a total of $4,626.65. So many sixes.
That's not good.
All right. So let's look at the next scenario here. What happened here?
We've made a purchase order. There was a purchase order for Atlas Coffee Importers.
Perfect. We ordered some more coffee. Okay. So what did we do with this?
Update purchase orders.
Yes. No real see, do you see that? My purchase orders once again flipped over. Okay, purchase orders. So purchase order number 170317. So I guess I'll just do, so today's the 29th. Oh wait, no. Today's the 30th. We're on a brand new day. Okay? So it is the 30th, Sunday the 30th. So 6:30. All right. We made a request to Atlas Coffee to order how much more coffee this time?
400 pounds.
We want 400 pounds of coffee. All right. And the invoice is outstanding for $628. Okay. And then lastly, what is this here? We delivered to who?
Super A Market.
Super A Market. So once again, I'm just going to find one that we've already previously done. Should be up here. Accounts receivable, sales. Perfect. $630. All right. So how much of the regular coffee did I sell?
21385.
21385. How much of the Supreme coffee did I sell?
19950.
The ceramic coffee mugs
8982.
and the delivery charge.
30.
Okay, so in grand total, so I'm going to equal sum my accounts here.
$533.17.
I should get 533.17, so perfect, and I match my invoice. So I gotta fix my description here, right? Because this isn't the corner bookstore, so we gotta give them their proper information. So this is to who? Super A Market. Okay. This is invoice number 110. Their terms is 1% 10, net 20. Okay. All right. So what's next?
Ledger.
The ledger. Ledger. Okay. So what are we going to do first? Accounts receivable. Here we are, accounts receivable. So it is now 6:30. Accounts receivable for invoice number 110. General Journal 21. And we're increasing it by a total of the 533.17. So what is my new ending balance?
1521.95.
Perfect. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to go do our sales. So let's start from the top. Sales for the regular coffee. How many pounds did we sell?
30. No, 65.
65 pounds. At a total of 213.85. All right, so what is my ending balance here? Good. Then we have sold Supreme Coffee. How many pounds did we sell?
50.
50 pounds. General Journal number 21 for a total of 199.50. So what is my total here?
142.64.
1,436.4. Good. Okay. How about coffee mugs? How many coffee mugs did I sell?
Coffee mugs 18.
We sold 18 mugs. Awesome. All right, General Journal. 21. Okay, and we sold them for
89.82.
89. Oh, wrong side. 89.82. So what is my grand total balance here? 1728.96. Okay, last but not least, we have a delivery income. So here we are. 630 invoice number 110. General Journal 21. And it's for $30. So in grand total, what's my ending balance of my delivery income?
300.
300 even. Good, excellent. So what's next? Yes, we just billed our person, Mr. Great Restaurant. So it should be vendor at customers. Top of the line is, or first table up there should be Great Restaurant. I'm going to insert one for safety measures, or for, I just want to add one. So it is June 30th. Okay, invoice number 110. General Journal 21. All right, his terms are the 1% 10.
Actually, it's Super A market, isn't it?
You are
Yes.
right. It is Super A market. My bad. Let me clear all this out. Okay, so we are going to Super A market. So, okay, so the third one in. So 620, 630. Invoice number 110. General Journal 21. Their terms is 10%, net 20. So what is their discount due date?
July 10.
Oh, that's why my date's not right. I have to fix my date. So 6/30. There you go. Now I can apply my $10, my 10 days. So what did you say? July 10? Good. When is it? When is the actual bill due?
That's right.
Yes, the 20th.
Yeah.
Okay. So right here, no prepaid or advance payments, but we do have a sales amount. What was that sales amount for?
533.17.
533.17, right? No payments. Oops. Wait, hold on. Where's this 13? Oh, we didn't even do that for the payment for the Super A market. Okay. Let me copy this information. So I think we received the payment on the 29. Check number, was that 582? Invoice number 103 and 107. General Journal, I think this was General Journal 20. No here, no here, no here, no here. Okay, there you go. And because we didn't make any payments or anything to this, therefore now Mr. Super A Market owes us a now $533.17. Okay. At first, he paid off all what he owes. Now he owes us an additional um 533.17. Okay. So there we go. Did we also do the other checks here too? Did we do Katie's check? Let's see. Yes, we did. Did we do Corner Book? Did the Corner Bookstore make a payment? No, this one did. Okay. All right. Everything looks good now. All right. So, last but not least, what is after that? Actually, there's two more things. What should we do next?
Inventory.
Inventory. Inventory. So let's go ahead and see how many pounds of the regular coffee did we sell?
65.
65.
We sold 65 pounds, all right, at $1.66. So my total should be what? What's my total cost of goods sold?
10809.
10809. So let's update my inventory right now. So how much is my new quantity? 72.
50.
My total cost. What's my new total cost?
120.56.
120.56, and boom, it recalculated my average cost per item to be the same exact number. Okay. And I'm gonna wipe that out. Okay. Once again, I'm going to go to Supreme Coffee. How many pounds did we sell?
50.
We sold 50. Okay, let's double check our work up here. Do we have 50?
Yes.
Excuse me. Yes, we do. Here. Okay. I should have 7 left, right? 57 minus 57. Okay, bringing me a grand total in my ending balance to be the 2198. Or sorry, 251.98. So here, let's calculate it, right? It was for 189. So how much is my cost of goods sold?
94.50.
94, excuse me. 94. Come on. 94.50. Okay. So we got 94.50 in the Supreme, and we have 108.09 for my regular. So let's journalize that. $108.09, and the other one was $94.50. Okay. All right, make sure I write here that I delivered this to Super A Market. All right. So let's go ahead and update our ledger and our account balances. So cost of goods sold. How many pounds of coffee did I sell?
65.
On June 30th. Okay, I said June 30th. I don't know why it's not. 6:30. And it says June 21. Format, date. And I don't have date here. No, I don't. Short date. Nope. Okay. That's good enough. Okay, so,
Sold.
or I could just, let me see. Let me just do undo. Can I do undo one more? Yes, I could, and undo. Okay, great. 6:30. There you go. So what was it again?
65.
We sold 65 pounds. Sold 65 pounds. LBS. Okay. General Journal 21 for a total of 108.09. So what is going to be my total ending balance here?
37.94.
Okay. Next here, how many pounds of my Supreme coffee did I sell?
50.
We sold 50. Sold 50 LBS. General Journal 21. Once again, for the amount of $94.50. Good. Okay. So what is my ending balance?
1370.27.
Good. Excellent. All right, last but not least, we got to update our inventory. So first I got to locate my regular coffee. Here we are, regular coffee. Just making sure. Regular coffee, we sold 65 pounds.
Yes.
General Journal 21 for the 108.09. So what's my ending balance?
I think 86.
Perfect, which that's the exact number that we calculated in our inventory worksheet. All right, last but not least, let's update our Supreme coffee. Okay, so we sold 50 pounds. LBS, General Journal 21, and we sold it for a total of $94.50. So therefore, what should be my ending balance?
251.
198.
It was exactly what we solved in our inventory worksheet. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix this minor mistake because I went back too much. Okay, to Super A market. Okay. All right. What is next? Because we skipped one more thing.
Commissions.
Yep, we skipped the commission. So here we are. We delivered to Super A Market on the 30th for invoice number 110. So therefore, we should deserve $53.32 to give us a grand total of
271.78.
perfect 271.78 is what we owe him. Okay. All right, excellent. Let's see what has happened next. Last but not least, yep, our daily sales, and that is it. After that, we're going to complete our trial balance. Probably, we won't get started today because it's already 11:15 or 11:10. So we'll do that tomorrow, okay? So let's go ahead and get started with this section here. So we have sales. Yeah, what?
I don't think we have enough room on General Journal 21.
Perfect. Let's see. We got sales. Oh, no, we got checking. Sales, 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 sales tax. And we should have enough for the first section, right? Checking,
Yep.
sales, 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 sales tax, description. Yeah, we have enough for the first section at least. Let's plug it in. And boom. Yep, exactly just enough for the first section. So, let me retype that again. So 630. Okay. And we could do cost of goods sold. Is going to be the next page. Okay. So that's going to be this journal over here. 630. All right. So let's go ahead and compute our sales here. So how much was the sales for the regular medium coffee? Oh, let me pull the page over.
447.
What was that? 447.75. What about the large regular coffee?
568.10.
The large,
6810.
the medium supreme coffee,
597.
597.60.
and then the supreme, large supreme,
666.59.
and then the ceramic coffee mugs.
34.95.
And lastly, sales tax.
190.99.
Okay, so I'm going to equal sum this. All right, I should get 250598. Excellent. Okay, so let's go ahead and update our ledger. Okay, so first things first is our checking account. Wow, we have so many transactions. So here we are on the 30th. This was an in-store sales. Okay. General Journal 21, because we still had enough space for that last section there. We received $2,505.98. So, what is my new ending balance in my checking account?
13,693,67.
Perfect. Excellent. Okay. What's next is going to be sales. Starting from the top, how many medium regular coffee cups did I sell?
225.
225 cups. All right, General Journal number 21 for a total of the 44775. So what is my new account balance here?
52.16.
522170.
Perfect. Okay. How many cups of the large regular coffee did we sell?
190.
190 cups. Okay. General Journal number 21 for the amount of 56810. So what is my total amount here, or total ending balance here?
650321.
Good. What was the total amount of medium supreme coffee cups I sold?
240.
240 cups. General Journal number 21 for the amount of 59760. So what is my total ending balance here?
665577.
665577. Nice numbers. All right. How many coffee cups of the large supreme coffee did we sell?
191.
We sold 191 cups. Perfect. And General Journal 21 for the amount of 66659. So what is my grand total ending balance?
752444.
Perfect. And then we also sold some coffee mugs. So how many coffee mugs did we sell?
5.
We sold 5. So 630, 5 mugs. General Journal 21 for the total of the 34.95. So therefore, what is my new ending balance?
1763.91.
Perfect. All right, last but not least, we have to update our. Not yet. No, we got one more account. We got to do sales tax payable.
Sales tax. Sales tax.
Yeah, we still got to do sales tax. And then we can move on to inventory. So June 30th, we obviously had in-store sales for the total amount of 190.99. So what is my ending balance that I owe the government for sales tax?
2047. 4611.
204611.
Perfect. 204611. Now we've completed our sales. So let's go ahead and go to our inventory worksheet. So let's check out how many pounds we used. We used 35.75 and 37.25 pounds of the Supreme coffee. I think these numbers are wrong, but let's just go for it. Just because that doesn't make sense. We went from 40 to 35. So let's just go ahead and compute it. So 35.75 for regular inventory worksheet. So here we are, June 30th for 35.75. So how much is my total cost of goods sold?
59.45.
$59.45. So let's update our inventory. So what's my total quantity now?
4175.
$41.75. Sorry, excuse me real quick. $36.75, yes.
75.
Okay, what's my total cost?
6111.
6111. And once again, it's been updated. So you should have 36.75 pounds left at 6111. Right? Now let's go to our Supreme. How many pounds did we sell or used?
37.25.
37.25. So let's look at what we have. Do we have that? We have 7 in for the first batch, and the second batch is we got to take out another 30.25. So here it's going to be another calculation. So we have 7 here and 30.25 to give us a grand total of 37.25. So here is a calculation. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure I indicate that it is a calculation. Okay, we know that this is 1.89, which we know to be the 1323, right? From above here. Okay.
Yes.
And then we have another batch for 191. So let's fill that in there here. So this one is 191. So how much is it going to cost me to sell these 30 and a quarter pound at $1.91?
6.
Ah, there's my O, equal round. Just in case, 56.78, is that what you said?
57.78.
57.78, perfect. Giving us a grand total of 71.01. So let's go ahead and eliminate our information here up here. So 7 pounds is gone. The 25, so 125 minus 30 and a quarter gives you a grand total of 180.97. Okay, 180.97. So let's plug in our numbers. So we have 71.01 for Supreme, and we have 59.45 for our regular. 59.49. Wait, 59.45, excuse me. Okay, so cost of goods sold for the regular was 59.45, and the other one was 71.01. Okay, once again, it's in store sales. And because I know this for a fact, that this is the end of my journal, I'm going to go ahead and place that bar once again because now I need to compute my unadjusted trial balance, right? It's going to be the balance that I am going to be calculating at the end of the month before I do my adjustment entries. Okay. So I'm going to make sure I make a note here that now we're going to prepare our unadjusted trial balance. Okay. So once again, now that I have these numbers in here, let's go ahead and fill out our ledger. Yeah, cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold. So here under regular coffee, $6.30. We used
37.75 pounds.
that is for the Supreme coffee. I think we used 35.
Oh yeah, 35.75.
Yeah, 35.75 LBS for General Journal number 22 for a total of
59.45.
$59.45. So what is my ending balance here?
1367.
1367.49.
Perfect. And then we used how many pounds of Supreme coffee?
37.25.
Yes, 37.25 LBS. Journal number 22 for this total of 7101. Oops. 01. So what's my ending balance here?
1441.37.
1441.
28.
28. Sorry, 28.
No worries. Got it. Perfect. The last but not least, let's go ahead and update our inventory. Okay, so we need to update our regular coffee because we used some coffee. So we used a total of
35.75.
yes, thank you. 35.75 pounds. General Journal 22 for the total of the 59.45. So my ending balance in my regular coffee account should be 6111, which we know for a fact that is correct in our inventory worksheet. Okay. Last but not least, my Supreme coffee. I used 37.25 pound of coffee. General Journal number 22 at 71.01, bringing my account balance to be
180.97.
all right, I'm going to double check if that's correct in my inventory worksheet. Yes, 180.97 is on both ends. Okay. Excellent. Now we completed our ledger. Last but not least, what do we need to do before we can continue on tomorrow?
Deposit.
We got to deposit the money we earned today. So, last thing that we did here. Okay, so what was the amount that we earned? We earned a 2505.98. And it is June 30th, and we deposited that money. So, from here on out, we are done with our inventory work. Well, actually, no, we still gotta, never mind. Forget it, what I said. We are gonna be done with our subsidiary ledger. as my best knowledge, subsidiary ledger is done. Okay? Now we're going to be completing the rest of the stuff, which is completely unadjusted trial balance. Then starting going from there, we do our adjustments, and then we do our financial statements. So once again, that won't happen until we come back from our break. So tomorrow, what we're going to do is focus on the adjustments, and we're going to focus on how to close out the books properly. So tomorrow, we're going to learn chapter 13, okay? And you have a quiz due this weekend, okay? And your last journal, I believe, is going to be this weekend. Or